So I've just jumped into the Union Car Spares Hilux, and I really want to show you this new ARB Linx. It's a brand new product that's just come out onto the market, and this is probably the first vehicle in New Zealand with it installed. So what it is, it's a complete vehicle control system where it controls all of your accessories, your lighting, your air compressor, things like that. The way it works is you've got a little black box that mounts under the dashboard, and instead of having switches that run into your dash, where you have two wires, one coming from the relay, you only have one that run into the black box. And then you have this little screen you can mount anywhere. You can mount the screen up here, on the dash, down where Scott's mounted it down here. And that controls all that, basically acts as all your switches. So the ARB Linx has 7 different modules, and the first module that I want to go through is your GPS. So it's just got a simple GPS readout, so you always know where you are. The other one, you've got 3 different battery monitors, so you can wire up 3 of your batteries, and on the screen you can actually see exactly which voltage each battery is showing. So the second module, it lets you control a whole bunch of different accessories. So all the lighting that Scott's got on his car, he's got his ARB intensities up on the roof and on the bull bar, and his side lights. They're all wired, so you can turn them off individually, and you can select when they turn on. So you can use it as a switch, traditional switch, or through your high beams, your lights, you can control exactly when those lights turn off. So the third module is the compressor module. That basically controls the air compressor on board. First thing is your ARB air lockers, front and rear. You can switch those on and off individually. The second one is for your airbag control. So if you've got an airbag system in the rear for towing loads, it can control and reinflate and deflate your airbags. And the really cool thing is you can have presets. So say if you're empty, you hit the empty button and it'll set your airbags up to when your vehicle's empty. You hook the boat up, push the boat button, and the airbags will adjust to compensate for the weight of your boat. So the control panel itself is an Android based tablet. This is the magnetic mounting base, and you can also get specific mounting brackets to go up on your dashboard for specific vehicle types. Now the really cool thing about it is it's got the charger cable and the data cable when it's plugged in sitting on the dash, but it's also removable. So what we can do is I can take this unit outside of the car and control the lights, the air compressor, things like that outside of the car. So what happens when Scott reinflates his tyres, he plugs this air hose in and he actually sets 35 psi or whatever pressure he wants on the control module and then walks away, and the ARB Linx takes care of the rest. So if you think of the entire package of what you're getting, you're replacing all of your rocker switches, which are about $25–30 a switch, all the wiring, the labour that goes into wiring each individual switch up, and you're replacing all of that with one module. It's fantastic. These things are $1,100 plus GST, and they're going to last forever, you know, because it's a one-off purchase. You put this into your car, you buy another car, you strip all of this out and put the whole system into your next car. You know, it travels with you. It's kind of like your air compressor. You buy your air compressor once and you move it from vehicle to vehicle. So it really is, you can colour match everything to your dash, and honestly, as soon as I can, I'm putting one of those in my Land Cruiser.